Hey BH Beauties, Deanna here. Today I'm going to show you how to get this bright makeup look using the new Daisy Marquez palette. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. I'm going to go in with the color Karma, and this is my number 8 brush from the Smoke and Mirrors, and I am going to start building my crease. And we're going to do a cut crease today, so I'm gonna kind of go above my natural crease and start building the shape. I absolutely love this palette. It has so many different colors. It has like your oranges, your plums, gorgeous green that is in the palette as well. So you can definitely have so many different looks with this one palette. And it has the cute mirror that comes with it that I'm actually using while I'm doing this look. So it's very convenient and great for travel too if you don't have a mirror. And I'm kind of bringing it outwards a little bit to create more of like an almond shape. And then next I'm going to wipe the brush off on a napkin, but you don't have to like clean it or anything. And then I'm going to go in with Dolce, which is this light color right here. And I'm going to just blend out the Karma color, and this is basically going to like transition it into the brow. So next we are going to cut that crease, and I'm going to be taking the number 5 concealer brush, and I'm going to grab our concealer in the shade 101. It's more of a pinky concealer. It kind of helps the yellow pop a bit better. My tips for cutting the crease would be to work slowly and just follow the natural shape of your eye. It's not gonna look exactly the same on everybody, but just kind of like a patting motion too helps. Building it little by little, so that way you ensure you get the exact shape that you want. And definitely using a flat brush is like key, because if you use something fluffy, it's gonna be a lot more difficult to get the crisp look of a cut crease. I'm going to take the lip brush, which is the number 10, and I'm going to go in with Karma again. And I'm going to just kind of go right where I made that line with the concealer and just go over it. Going to take the color Flower, this beautiful yellow tone, and I'm mainly going to concentrate, wow, so nice. I'm mainly going to concentrate this on the inner corner. So fallout can be really annoying, but there is a benefit to like having your foundation on first sometimes, or sometimes you just, fallout's gonna happen. I love to lay powder underneath my eyes just to make sure the skin is set, because it makes wiping the fallout a lot easier. If you have like something dewy on, or just moisturizer and foundation, it makes it a lot more difficult. But it's gonna happen. Eyeshadow has fallout sometimes, so you just kind of have to learn to work with it, or like I said, you can always do your eye makeup first and then just wipe away your fallout. So now once we've laid that yellow down, I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and Karma, and I'm going to just bring back any of that color that was lost and just help blend that yellow out. Okay, so once that is blended out, I'm going to take, with my number 6 brush, I'm going to take Cocoa, which is this beautiful dark brown color, and I am going to put this in the outer corner. Just right in there. For doing something with your foundation on, tapping off the color, it's just going to prevent the fallout from getting onto your face, especially with a darker color like this, and it'll help with cleanup too. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of that into the crease as well, just on the outer corner. So once we have packed on that color, I'm gonna take, again, our trusty little blending brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of the cocoa just to pack it on even more, and then I'm gonna blend a little bit onto the lid, into that yellow, and up into the crease. And I'm not adding a lot, as you can see. I'm just concentrating it right where you would like put a liner. And I'm doing that because I want it to really just be about the colors, the yellow and the orange. But this is gonna add a lot of depth to the eye shape. So next, instead of using liner, I'm going to grab the ankle brush, which is the number 9 brush, and I'm gonna go in with cocoa again, and I'm going to line my lash line. So I'm gonna use the shadow basically as a liner. It's gonna give it a bit more of a soft appearance, and it's gonna help also blend the lashes when I add them. So now I'm gonna take the same angle brush with cocoa, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. And I'm really just focusing on the outer corner of my eye. I'm not gonna bring the brown all the way in, but I want it to connect to the top. Okay, so now blending out that color, I'm gonna grab Karma again with the lip brush that we had used, the number 10. And we are going to line underneath. And I'm kind of packing the color on, and then we will blend it out again with our blending brush, but this is just going to get the color on there. So now we are going to blend that out. I'm just wiping the brush off again because it has that cocoa color. Grabbing a tiny bit of Karma and blending this out. I'm gonna wipe off the number 10 lip brush that we just used, and I'm gonna go in with Icy, which is this beautiful light color, literally looks like ice. So then taking this color, and we are gonna place this right in the inner corners. Just gonna help make the eye pop. All right, so I went ahead and added mascara and our Studio Pro lashes, and here we have the final makeup look. I guess we're calling it the fire emoji, using the new Daisy Marquez palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and make sure to tag us when you try your new makeup look.